Austin, can you explain what internet is?
Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to use a new tool called Bubble.us. It's basically a tool to brainstorm your ideas and organize your thoughts. To start off, you're going to click on this link down below and you're going to watch this video. So you need to pause this tutorial video and watch this video here for
Have you ever
minute 3.
brainstormed by your...
So watch that video and then continue back to this tutorial when you're done. Once you finish watching this video at the main screen, you're going to click sign up and you're going to click free down here on the left, and you're going to use your 4 letters or numbers to log in. So I'm going to use my personal login for this account, and then you're going to use your 4 letters at fresnou.org, your 4 letters at fresnou.org. For now, I'm just going to use my personal email. Use your same password. Okay, and once you sign in, it should pop up like this. And you're going to create a mind map of, or a bubble.us of your school schedule. What you're going to do is create a map of all 6 of your classes. And you're going to type out what class it is, who your teacher is, and three things you learned in that class this year. So for example, if we put exploring technology, you just click in the box and start typing. Now if you press tab, you start making a bunch of other yellow boxes. If you mess up, you go up here to undo action. You can undo it. So we want to click on this box, and it on my computer, since it's an Apple or a Mac, it says Command plus Enter. Yours will probably say Control and Enter at the same time. So when you press Control and Enter, now you have bubbles that go this way, and we can undo those. So for each class, what you're going to do, and you can also zoom by clicking and dragging, or you can click and drag and move around, and then you can zoom here on this going up or down, or press fit so it fits the screen, and you can click and drag when you see that little hand come up. So for exploring technology, you need to put your teacher's name, so you would put me, Mr. Ogden. Okay, so after you put your teacher's name, now you do 3 things that you learned in the class in complete sentences. So if you click here, if you click on the bottom of the box too, that'll open it and collapse it as well. So 3 things you learned in Mr. Ogden's Exploring Technology class. So I would say something like, I learned how to make my own video game using Kodu. And then you can click here and add another one. And if you want, when you scroll over the box, you take your mouse and just scroll over it with your mouse. This little box comes up, and you can format this, and you can change the color if you want to a different color. That's totally fine. So we added an extra box here, so if you just scroll over it, you can also delete. And now we need to do 2 more things that we learned. I also learned how to create my own website. Again, you can scroll over it and decrease or increase the font size. And we need one more. So let's zoom in a little bit by pressing the plus and moving down a little too close. There we go. We need one more. I learned how to create and write in my own blog. And let's bring that font down a little bit as well. Okay, so let's zoom back out. So that's one class. One class is done. Now we're going to click on the yellow one up here and do a new tab. And you're going to type your next class. So you can write math class. And then we go down for our teacher. Let's say it's Mrs. DeMarias. And you can say, I learned how to add fractions. And if it gets a little close, you see how when I started typing, this box is really close to this box. You can click on the top one and drag it around and move it. So it says down here, moving, drag or drop to accept new position. So you can move it and click drop. So I'm not going to complete this for all the other ones, but you need to. So when you're done with this, you should have 6 classes, your elective, PE, and then your 4 core classes, which would be science, math, history, and English. And you're going to type out the name of your class, your teacher, and 3 things that you learned this year in complete sentences. When you're done, you're going to turn in your link. So you want to click save. So it saves over here on the right side. And you can rename it right here if you want. So Mr. Ogden's mind map. Okay, and now to turn it into Google Classroom, we need to share the link. So if you click on share, this link right here is what you need to copy. So you can click on the box and press Control C, or you can just click right here that says copy URL, and now it just copied. When you get to Google Classroom, open up the assignment like you guys normally do, scroll down and click add, and you're going to add a link, L-I-N-K, add link, paste the link, and click OK, and then press turn in. And that's it. This will be due tomorrow. Thanks.